Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange this Wednesday afternoon, and U.S. stocks continuing to seesaw, seeking a direction. And most of us here on the floor, myself, the traders, we're seeking a direction out of here because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. You know what that means here, right? That means it's happy hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks continuing to seek a direction this Wednesday afternoon right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, seesawing on the combination of weak services data and a rebound in oil prices in a relatively volatile trading session. Now, first on the data front, ISM non-manufacturing for January coming in at a read of 53.5. That came in below expectations, calling for 55.1, and also the lowest read since December 2013. In addition, U.S. private payrolls, that's ADP, jumping today, 205,000 last month, well above consensus estimates of a total of 195,000. But again, making most headlines today, the energy sector, namely crude oil prices right now more than 6% higher after the EIA managed to say that inventories rose by a total of 7.8 million barrels last week. Now, usually a surge in inventory figures leads oil prices on the downside, and it did for a short period of time. However, a weak U.S. dollar has kept crude prices well on the upside. You combine all of that with the U.S. dollar right now about 1% lower against its counterparts, gold a little bit higher by a total of $12.50, and you have yourself a session right now where advancers are just a step ahead of decliners right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this trading session. And on the corporate front, making global headlines, Swiss agricultural chemicals giant Syngenta saying that it will be acquired by ChemChina in a deal that marks the largest attempted overseas acquisition by a Chinese firm. In a breakdown of those figures, Syngenta saying that the deal is worth over $43 billion and equivalent to roughly 480 Swiss francs per share. That means it's $471.38 per share. And with that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, realize that we're more than halfway through the trading week finally, and we're 2 days away from the weekend. From ModernWallStreet.com saying I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.